Hello mga kabiyahera! Welcome back to my travel vlog! Part 3 na ng ating Kerala Diaries. And for today's video, we will roam around backwater ripples, try the food in one of the restaurants inside the resort, and of course, room tour! It's like a room. Shower. Huh? Okay, let's start. From Kumarakom Lake Resort, wala pang 10-minute ride to Backwater Ripples. This resort is also one of the places usually used as wedding reception. May kinasal din dito nung pumunta kami. Yep. Bongga dito, may pa-welcome. Hi, Namaskara.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
Backwater
Thank
Bus.
you.
Okay.
Of course, check in first. Ay, feel na feel. May pa-welcome din sila dito. Bongga. Thank you. So after namin mag-check-in, konting libot muna. Ito rin naman kasi yung way papunta sa room namin. On the left side is the recreational area. You can play table tennis, checkers, and caroms, a traditional Indian game. I will show it to you on the next video for those who don't know the game. Ang daming puno at halaman, sobrang ganda talaga. Actually, yun ang nagpapaganda sa mga resort. Pag may mga puno, halaman, like greeneries at all, sobrang nakakaganda siya. Tapos yung mga nakita nyo, mga villa yan. So on our right, nandyan yung restaurant for breakfast buffet, pati rin yung Irish pub restaurant na itatry natin mamaya. Kasi yan na yung pag-i-stayan namin. Doon lang kami sa baba kasi ibang room naman yung nasa taas niyan. Ayun, umulan ulit. Tulad nga nung sinabi ko dun sa mga nakaraang video, monsoon season kasi dito ngayon. Sobrang lapit lang ng swimming pool area dun sa room namin. Kaya syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi try ang swimming pool. The pool area is open till 7 p.m. At dahil nakarating kami ng mga around 6:30, meron pa kaming 30 minutes to try the pool. Required pala yung naka-proper swimming attire. Nung nagpunta naman kami dyan, hindi naman ako sinuway. Naka-cycling shorts naman
Okay.
ako. And di naman din makapal yung damit ko.
Wait, I'm ready for Johnny for this one.
Ganda ng view. Ha? We tried Tap Room, an Irish pub inside the resort. Order muna kami ng drinks while waiting for the food. Can you hold this? Ay, really? Sorry. Okay, ayos yan. We decided na sa kwarto na lang kumain dahil naingayin kami sa mga tao sa loob ng pub. Sorry naman. So, ito yung mga in-order namin. Sobrang mura lang ng mga yan pag kinonvert mo into AED. At ang sasarap pa. Inuna ko muna tong pagkain tapos last na natin yung room tour. Oh.
Ja, wurde das Tag für sing.
Let's make this. Let's make this. It does have a different taste. Because the pabelling is different. Same. I can try. What is this?
Mit so.
Mint.
Not bad.
Yes. Is it okay? I'll fix it meat. But the lemon is so small.
This together it will.
Peppery. This is what?
Sweet bread I did.
This.
I think I ordered something.
But did you check, no? Very nice, huh? That's one thing or what?
No, no, it's they cut in half.
I think that is half. Ah, like half? Lengthwise.
Yeah, lengthwise. They cut in half and then.
I remember the time. The Indians were fighting.
Where?
No, in the CNN. They were talking to us like they're
That's one.
Oh, that's nice.
It was.
It's okay. Oh, this got it.
France 24.
Nice. So, katabi namin ang swimming pool. Tapos sa taas yan may nakastay. Well, so, ito yung view from our tinutuluyan. So, doon pa sa konti ay restaurant. So, pagpasok mo ng pinto, this is receiving area. So, yan. Pwede ka dyan umupo. Nice, no? So, Okay, we have the exit plan. Nice. So, this is nice, huh? You can have coffee and look at the view. At meron din guys. Nice. Okay. So now, ito yung entrance. Okay. Now, let's go. Let's check the room. Wow. Look at that. This is the washroom. Okay, good. There is hair dryer, blow dryer, hair dryer. Okay. We have camera and okay, hand soap and lotion. Nice. Okay, let's check. Oh wow. Okay. Oop. Okay. Okay. Oh, I can see my lips. Okay, good. That's me. I'm sorry. I just came from swimming, so we have sink. Now let's check the amenities. Loofah, very nice. Backwater response, retreat in nature's lap. Okay. So we have we have loofah in here. Wow. Dental kit. Nice. We have key, shower cup, shaving kit, soap, and sanitary bag. Okay, all we can replace. And okay, we have phone and of course number one requirement. Okay, commode, trash can, we have tissue, okay, towels, and look at the shower area. It's huge. It's like a room. Shower area. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nice. The shower area is huge. So huge. Okay. Like this is where you can put the towel. And it's funny because you have this in the washroom. Isn't it like you can sit? See? Okay, sit. Then there's also like something you can put in here while you're taking shower. I don't know. Then the soap, where you can put your soap, I guess. Okay, shampoo and shower gel. Oh, okay. No conditioner. And the shower. There's no only shower. There's no wala siyang yung nahawakan. So, po. I think this is the heater. Yeah. Nice. And ito, bintana ito palabas. Ooh, nice. Ang laki ng CR. Sobrang laki niya. Para siyang kwarto. See? Nice. So, first we check all the amenities. They have water. Wow, 2 liters. Huh? Water. Meron ding water kettle. Then, there's a tea. Okay. Sugar. Sweetener. Oh, Nescafe. Liit niya. Nakatawa. Okay, same. Cleaner also. And sugar. Ang taray, may pambukas ng alak. And mug and glasses for water. And this is the fridge. Okay, okay. So we already put food. Nice. And this is the cabinet. Nice. Para siyang bahay style actually, no? And okay. So, meron ka dyang safety deposit. Tapos kung gusto magpa-laundry, and then pwede mong fill upan. At alam mo maganda dito, may iron, oh my god, ano tagal ng iron? Plancha, okay, nice. And nanghingi kami, actually dito sa room wala yung tsinelas, so kailangan pa namin mag-request. Though wala naman siyang bayad. So meron din kumuha din kami ng payong sa reception. Then, ito, binigay nila yan sa amin. Ng entrance. Siguro, di ko alam kung ano yung mga unang video, pero makikita nyo din, ilalagay ko din yung video na yun. So, this is one of the bangles that I received from a friend. So cute. But it's hard to like remove. Sorry. And, this is a letter that we received, like, welcome letter. Like, just to tell you all the amenities. And meron siyang lamp. And ito pala yung upuan. And meron siyang trash can. Okay. Tapos, ayan yung lamp. Ayan yung lamp. Tapos, you have the TV. Okay. I don't think this is smart TV. But, meron silang cable. At least. So, yan. Maliit lang siya. And you know what? Ang weird kasi yung TV niya sa gilid. Ito yung sofa mo, tapos ayun yung kama, pero yung TV mo nandito. Medyo gigilid ka ng konti. Anyway, so meron siya ding table, lagay ng gamit. And also like, if you want to eat or like, habang nanonood ng TV, you can also eat. This sofa bed, I think. No sofa. So, sofa. You can also store something kasi may ganito. So like that. Yes. Yan. So, ito yung sofa. Then, we go to the bed. Ang laki niya. Sobrang laki niya. So, ito muna tayo sa switch. Telephone. Okay, you have the notepad. And then, what is this? Oh, this is the fan. Okay. So, adjust na yun ng fan. Saksakan. Let's see. Okay. Oh! You can switch on and off din yung saksakan. Ay, yung electric fan. Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay. Oh, okay. So, have the light. Oh, nice bed. Nice. I like this kind of like pillows. Okay. Nice. This is the bed. And, ganun din. Siguro ito, to ilaw lang. Okay. Okay. Dear guests, join us in our commitment to sustainability. If you're staying for multiple, we kindly ask you to consider using your bed linen. If you prefer fresh sheets, simply by putting this card on the bed. Otherwise, we'll make your bed better. That can make a big impact. Yes, correct. Hindi ko mahilig magpa-cleaning pag ilang araw ako sa room because I just don't want, it's a messy room and I don't want also like to make like to remake the room kasi magugulo din naman. So okay lang, mas comfortable din ako na ganun. Kaya naglalagay ako lagi ng do not disturb. So at ang maganda may kabayo. So, very nice ka dyan. Okay. So, yun siya. Ang laki niya. Sobrang laki niya. So, nasa gilid na ako yan. Yung tsura niya. Okay. Pwede akong tumambling. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.